Are you looking for the best subwoofers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best subwoofers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Fluence DB10W 10-inch Subwoofer. Fluence is an awesome AV company, friends. Whether you need a solid set of powered Bluetooth speakers, a full surround sound configuration, or you're shopping for a sub, which is probably why you're reading this article, Fluence has got you covered. In terms of the latter, we're big fans of the Fluence DB10W 10-inch woofer. Available in natural walnut and black ash finishes, the DB10W uses MDF material and a front-facing, precision-tuned bass port to deliver clean, distortion-free sound. That's on top of Fluence's next-level integrated amp, which ensures you'll have enough power at low and high volumes. One of our favorite DB10W features is the auto power-on function. Whenever the DB10W detects an LFE signal, it automatically powers on, and shuts down when you toggle off your AV receiver. You'll also be able to adjust the sub's master volume and crossover range, 40 Hz to 180 Hz. Fluence products are pretty understated and classy looking too, so even if you're adding the DB10W to a non-Fluence speaker setup, it should play nicely with whatever cones and drivers you already own. Number 2. KEF KC62 Subwoofer. KEF is one of those speaker brands that is always coming up with new ways to blow our minds, and the KC62 Subwoofer, available in black and white finishes, is a jaw-dropping sub that's no bigger than a basketball. And the craziest part? This basketball can deliver up to 1000 watts of smooth, thumping low end. We're not kidding. That's on top of 2 6.5-inch unicore force-canceling drivers, an assortment of EQ options to truly dial in the sound, and a cabinet tailor-made to reduce unwanted distortion and vibrations. Yes, it's more expensive than a majority of the woofers you'll find in this roundup, but KEF is simply one of the best speaker brands money can buy. And just look at it, for Pete's sake. Number 3. Kanto Sub8 Powered Subwoofer. Brands like Kanto are tremendous at delivering the types of speakers that scream boutique without smacking you with specialist pricing. In the case of the all-powerful Kanto Sub8, the company has designed a woofer that can be easily integrated with pretty much any speaker brand out there. Available in matte black or matte white finishes, the Sub8 uses medium-density fiberboard housing to keep vibrations and distortion to a minimum. Rubber feet, a metal grille, and a final layer composed of vinyl are paired with Kanto's sturdy cabinetry, making for a sub that can respond to audio information in a fast and detailed manner. And at just about 11 inches, both in width and height, the Sub8 is easy enough to tuck away, although its appearance is one we wouldn't pass up seeing on a daily basis. Delivering up to 300 watts of peak power, the Sub8 also includes a high-pass filter, adjustable from 40 Hz to 120 Hz, and a phase switch, ensuring you'll be able to match this formidable woofer with any Kanto or non-Kanto surround setup. Number 4. Monoprice SW12 Subwoofer. The Monoprice SW12 powered subwoofer is engineered to enhance the low-frequency performance of music and home theater systems. It boasts a front-firing 12-inch woofer, powered by an amplifier with 400 watts RMS and a peak output of 600 watts. This strong power output facilitates deep, controlled bass, ensuring you can clearly feel and hear every rumble. Equipped with a ported design featuring a strategically placed downfiring port, the SW12 extends its bass response to an impressive 33 Hz, allowing for immersive low-end sound that enhances music and cinematic experiences. To integrate seamlessly into various audio setups, the subwoofer includes multiple RCA inputs and speaker-level inputs to easily accommodate different configurations. On the rear panel, users will find essential controls, including a volume knob and a variable low-pass filter adjustable between 33 Hz and 150 Hz. This filter allows you to skillfully blend the subwoofer's output with your main speakers, achieving a well-balanced sound profile. A phase control option, 0 or 180 degrees, is also provided to help optimize bass response according to your specific listening environment. To promote energy efficiency, the SW12 has an auto-on/off feature, which detects audio signals and automatically switches the subwoofer to standby mode when no sound is present, thus conserving energy when the sub is not in use. Number 5. SVS SB16 Ultra. The SVS SB16 Ultra has been on our list for some time, mainly because we haven't found anything worthy to take its place. This subwoofer has become our measuring stick, which might actually be unfair to the competition, it's that good. Beneath a sleek, stylish subwoofer box, the cubic SVS SB16 houses a monstrous 16-inch Ultra driver with an 8-inch, edge-wound voice coil and a ridiculous 1,500 watt continuous sledge amplifier with discrete MOSFET output that tops out at 5,000 watts peak power. Additionally, a smartphone app for iOS and Android has upped the SB16 Ultra's game significantly, taking the pain out of setting up your sub by allowing you to fine-tune the speaker from your optimal listening position and create custom presets for different listening situations. All of this is to say, no matter how you're using the SB16, it impresses. Gunshots and explosions in films register with a hefty thump to the chest, and the sub manages low-end instrumentation beautifully, allowing acoustic bass to bounce smoothly while electronic bass and kick drums shake the foundation of your home. For our money, this is the best subwoofer you can buy, period. Honorable mention goes to the HSU-ULS-15 2 Malawian Quatches and the Monoprice Monolith range of subwoofers, two of the best-sounding $1,000 plus subwoofers we've checked out recently.